He returned a wallet and got something way more valuable in return. This is why Barakah is real. Zayd found a wallet, no cameras, no one saw. He could have walked away. But he says, "Nah bro, this ain't mine, let's return it." The man was shocked. "You're the first honest person I've met all week," he said. The man drives 40 minutes just to meet Zayd, hands him a small thank you envelope. Zayd says, "No thanks man, just doing the right thing." The man insists Zayd keeps it. Zayd opens the envelope later. Inside was a job offer, not money, a connection. The man owned a business, and Zayd had been job hunting for 6 months. Zayd working happily, praying on time, sharing snacks with coworkers. Zayd didn't just get a job, he got a purpose. A halo income, peace. That's what happens when you choose right, even when no one's watching. Good deeds come back in ways you can't imagine. Be honest, be kind. Barakah is real. On screen, Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him said, "Whoever leaves something for the sake of Allah, Allah will replace it with something better." Ahmad. Tag someone who always chooses what's right.